channel. Now I'm at bread station because today in the afternoon I'm going to IKEA to buy some furniture because I just moved out from Pit Meadows to somewhere else that's close to my college. And in the morning was a bit busy for me because I went to the college to pick up the books to prepare for my final presentation of the first semester. And here, this is Hi Eddie. Okay, we are going to pick up the car. Hello, I'm Chloe. Alright guys, now we are heading to IKEA at Coquitlam Center and this is Eddie. Eddie? Okay guys, you know yesterday was the first day that is snowing. Like we can call the first snow in lower mainland and I was so excited. And of course, I recorded the video for you that I will show you later. At IKEA that you can see, but before we enter to the mall, I will get a card first because I think today we will buy a few furniture for sure. Whoops! I think we should take elevator. Yeah. Bum, bum, bum. Where is it?
Cheap. เขาสวยเชื่อ
Oh shit! The other side! Oh my god! something that I'm interested in, but it will be in the list that I will make a decision later what that I will buy it or not. Let's go. This is the bookcase Billy here, but I think actually they have got 3 colors. The first one that is white, and this one is black here. So I will take a picture and then we'll look at it again. Here, let's go.
Yeah.
This is
But they're unloaded for their
the candle. I don't know how much is it. $3. But if you are like IKEA family, it was about $3. But the regular price is 3.99 cents. So I will go to another section to look around. This has like a door. Yeah, I will keep in mind. Which one do you want? May I get one hot chocolate?
For sure.
What is it? I get one carrot pineapple.
Sure.
And this one as well.
199?
Yes. How does it call?
Nanaimo.
Nanaimo. Ah, Nanaimo. Okay.
734?
Yeah. And as always.
Would you like a receipt?
Yeah. Okay, thank you. We always hungry. We can eat all day. So we got one hot chocolate, one carrot pineapple, and one Nanaimo chocolate. I'm not sure. I think the first layer is it made from cookie?
Pardon?
This one is made from cookie.
Yeah, so it has like coconut on it and stuff. And then the middle part is like
White chocolate.
cream.
Oh,
like
cream?
It's like a cream base.
Cream base and the top
and then
is chocolate.
chocolate.
It's like a cracker and then white cream base and then the top is chocolate. It's not too sweet for me. It's okay. It's good. Wow, this is what am I looking for, guys? So I will look around to find what I really want to buy. Okay guys, after I take a while to watch around what I really want to buy, I think I will buy these tables. Because as you can see from the video, it has like 4 drawers. So I think it's suitable for me to keep things properly. Just like for example, the first drawer, I can keep like my pencils or any items that I often use it is suitable for me. And the second one, I can keep like any paper that related to my study. But two of them, I didn't have any idea yet. So I think I will check at the counter is it available or not, and then yeah, I will check it. Going to the warehouse downstairs to figure out the items that we would like to buy for today, and then we will check out later. So we will take the elevator over there. So let's go. Finally, our final destination is here, self-service checkout. And you know, most of the items are mine, not for Eddie. This is because he just bought 2 items. And when we done this, we went to the cafeteria to buy some chocolate too. Woohoo! Oh, guys, we almost done for today. So now I'm at the parking at loading area. So I've been waiting for Eddie to pick up all of this stuff. Yeah. Oh, he forgot his phone. So here. Uh-oh. Yeah, he's running to get a car and come back to pick up. So tired. But we complete our mission for today, that I want to buy a desk, a bookshelf, and that's it for me. Subscribe, like, and share my channel. I'm privately. And guys, see you again at home. Bye.